welcome back to Potter's RC Models. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the TT02.
So I'm unboxing the TT02. You get all the Tamiya parts all labelled up. Always start with your manual. Follow through the manual. Everything's in steps. It's very easy to follow. The only additional part we have here is we bought a ball race bearing set to go with the car to save assembling it with the original plastic bushes. But other than that, everything will be totally kit standard. Okay, right, that's stage one done. Follow all the instructions. Tells you exactly what parts to use and where to put them. Not the clearest of instructions, in my opinion, from Tamiya with this one. Not like the more basic kits like your Hornet or your Grasshopper, but these are meant for, you know, sort of you're getting into your next level now. So yeah, if you've got a bit of experience, there's no problem at all. So yeah, as you can see, we've replaced the plastic bearings for ball races. So that section is now done, and we move on to page 2. Okay, here we are. We've moved on a fair bit now. Motor is now fitted. All the diffs are assembled. Top and bottom, top wishbones are in. We now have got rotating shaft on the motor and everything. So now we start assembling all the suspension components onto the car. Alright, okay, we're getting into the final stages now. The car, you can see, is 90% built now. Now, we're not using the standard friction dampers that come with the kit because I've got a nice set of TRF shocks that we used on another car previously. And since this car is going to be raced at the track you've seen in our previous videos where they went racing for the day, we're allowed uprated shock absorbers, and the Tamiya TRF upgraded shocks are really much better than the friction dampers that come as standard. But yeah, we get on with fitting these, and next stage the rolling chassis should be finished. And there we have it, TT02 all built. She's fully ball raced, so we've got the TRF shocks as well. It's got the torque tube motor that comes as standard in the kit, which is great for us because we're at the club we race at. That's the spec that you have to have, so that's good. I'm going to buy an additional motor. The only thing stopping me finishing this build now is I'm going to have to order a servo. I thought I had a spare one, but I don't. So we'll order a servo for it, and then we can get all the electrics finished off. The electronic speed control that comes in the kit, that's going to go in it. And then we're all there. So next video you'll see, it should be a running car.